Hello dear students, welcome to my channel. Students, today is part 4 of Mathematics Revision series for your half year examination 2024-25 class 9 DAP Public School Cuttack. Okay. So if you are not see the to part number 3, then you can see by click on I button or go to playlist. Okay, link in the description box. This is syllabus for your half year examination. Okay, and a pattern is total number of questions of multiple choice 20 mark, sub type question 5, that is 10 mark, 3 mark 6, that is 18, long questions 4, that is 20 mark, CBQ 3, that is 12 mark, total number of questions 38 and total mark 80. Okay, so time is 3 hours. So let us first discuss some important MCQ. First question, if the perpendicular distance of a point P from the x-axis, okay, suppose this is graph, this is x-axis, this is x dash, that is minus, this is y and y dash, then perpendicular distance of point P x-axis is from the x-axis is 7 unit. Okay, 7 unit, and the foot of the perpendicular lies on the perpendicular distance of the P. Suppose this is P, perpendicular distance, that is 7 centimeter, sorry 7 unit from the x-axis, means y coordinate are given, so y equal to 7, and the foot of the perpendicular lie on the negative direction of the x-axis, not the positive, negative direction, means 7 may be plus, the first one is plus and second one is minus 7. Okay, so answer is 7 and minus 7. Understand? Because if the point is here, suppose this is P, then this is perpendicular distance from the x-axis, mean this is minus 7, so here is plus 7. So answer is 7 or minus 7. Okay, now and also you remember perpendicular distance means y ordinate. Okay, next question, point 3 and 4 lie on the graph of the equation 3y equal to kx plus 7, the value of k. Okay, so put the value, that is 3 into y equal to 4 equal to k into x equal to 3 plus 7, that is 12, here is minus 7 equal to 3k, so k equal to 5 by 3, so answer is option number B, right? Next, the graph of the linear equation this chord the y-axis at dash, simply put the value, first put x plus 2, okay, option A, first put 2 plus 2 into 0, that is 0, equal to how much, 2 plus 0, that is 2, equal to RHS, yes, so option number A is the correct answer. Simply if you put option number B in place x, that is 0 plus 2 into 2, that is 4, so 4 plus 0 is 4, RHS is 4, no, so this option is wrong. Okay, now question number 6, the supplement of, okay, we find the supplement of which, now 4 by 3 of right angle, 4 by 3 of right angle means 90, so 3 3 ja 0, 4 3 ja 12, that is 120, supplement is minus 180, that is 60 degree, option number A is the correct answer. Okay, first you find 4 by 3 of right angle, that is 120, then find 120 supplement, that is 180 minus 120, 60. If the perimeter of the equilateral triangle, okay, perimeter means 3a equal to how much, 60, so a how much, 60 by 3, that is 20. Now find the area formula is root 3 by 4 a square, that is 20 square, that is 400, so cancel 100, so 100 root 3, option number 3 is the correct answer. Okay, now next, in the given figure, value of x, okay, we know that this is pura whole is 360 because circle, so write down 120 plus x plus 10 plus x is equal to 360. Yes or no? Now 2x equal to 360 minus 120 plus 10, that is 130, equal to 230. Now x equal to 230 divided by 2, that is 115. So option number D is the correct answer. Next, 2 mark. If you want to download the PDF, then you can join my WhatsApp or Telegram group. So next question, in the given figure OD, okay, so first write down given OD bisect AOC means this angle and this angle are equal. Bisect means equal. Okay. Then OE bisect angle BOC. BOC means this angle and this angle also are equal. And OD perpendicular OE. This is given. So write down proof. So first we can write AOD equal to DOC. Yes or no? Because OD bisect. So this is equation 1. Similarly, we can write COE equal to EOB, equation 2. Any doubt? Now we can also write OD perpendicular OE. OD perpendicular OE means this is 90 degree. So we can write DOC plus COE is equal to 90 degree. Yes or no? Suppose this is equation number 3. Now we can write from equation 1 and 2, we can write, see, DOC and COE equal to 90 means AOD and EOB also 90 degree. AOD plus EOB is also equal to 90 degree. Any doubt? This is equation 4. Now add equation 3 and 4. We can write AOD plus EOB, and the here left side is DOC plus COE equal to, at right side, that is 90 plus 90. Any doubt? Now we can write AOD plus DOC, EOE, COE and EOB. We can write AOB is equal to 90 plus 90 equal to 180. Okay, means AOB is 180, means we can say that A, O, B are collinear. Yes or no? So proved. Understand? Now next, write any 3 Euclid's axiom. Okay, the first one is things which are equal to the same things are equal to another. Okay, next is if the equal are added to equal, the whole are equal. The third is if the equal are subtracted from the equal, then the remainder also equal. Next, our questions, write any 3 Euclid's postulate. The first one is a straight line segment can be drawn joining any 2 points. Second one is any straight line segment can be extended indefinitely in a straight line. Now third one is a circle can be drawn with any center and any radius. Okay. Next, long question. The first question. In the given figure, lines xy and mn intersect O. Okay, xy and mn intersect at O. If POY is 90 degree, then A is to B 2 is to 3. This is 2, this is 3. Means let this is 2x, this is 3x. So let we can write A and B are 2x and 3x. Yes or no? So we can also write POY is also equal to POX equal to 90 degree. Yes or no? So we can write 2x plus 3x equal to 90 degree. Now 5x equal to 90 degree. So x equal to 90 by 5, that is 18 degree. So we find the value of C. So we can write B plus C is equal to 180 degree because of linear pair. So B means 3x, that is 3 into x is 18 plus C is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so 18 3 ja 54 plus C is equal to 180 degree. So C equal to 180 degree minus 54, that is 6. Here is 7, 7 minus 5 2, then 126 degree. Okay. Now next question, by using the suitable identity factorize. Okay, so here we can write 2 root 3 a cube plus 3 root 3 b cube. Now multiply plus 5 root 5 minus 3 6 5 is 30 root ab. Yes or no? Now we can write, sorry, the 2. We can write 2 root 2 as root 2 a whole cube. Root 2 into root 2 into root 2, that is root 2 into root 2, that is 2 root 2. Yes or no? Similarly, you can write root 3b whole cube. Now here is root 5 whole cube. Any doubt? Now this is 3abc, that is 3 into a is root 2a, b is root 3b, c is root 5. Okay, this is which formula? A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc formula is a plus b plus c, that is root 2a plus root 3b plus root 5 whole into a square, that is root 2a square plus root 3b whole square plus root 5 square, a square plus b square plus c square minus ab, that is root 2a into root 3b minus bc root 3b into root 5 minus ca, that is root 5 into root 2a bracket. Now multiply root 2a plus root 3b plus root 5 bracket. Now multiply 2a plus 3b plus 5 minus root 6 ab minus root 15b minus root 10a. Okay, this is the factorization. Understand? Now completed. यदि वीडियो पसंद लगे वीडियो को लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करियो. थैंक यू.